Thank you. People power. Our power. Thank you very much. Please take your seats. Our fellow leaders, General Mugisha Muntu, leader of ANT, the leadership of PFF/FDC Katonga, the senior winnies, Mama Winnie Kiza and Mama Winnie Bianima, Deputy Presidents present, our leader of opposition, our Secretary General, our leadership from PPP, and other fellow leaders, the National Coordinator of ANT, all protocol observed. I am very, very honored to have you here today. Council Narukola. Council of Mulujulia. Now, what will you want to put People power, our power. Ra, ja. Mr. President, webali nnyo okumpa omukisa guno. Naye Mr. President kankubuulire nze gwowadde omukisa guno. Siri muntu wa bulijjo. Siri muntu wa bulijjo mu ngeri nti yenze yaweereddwa flag eya National Unity Platform. Era yenze candidate w'ekibiina ekyo kinnaggwano ekye-NUP ekisinga amaanyi mu Uganda. Sebo nkutegeeza ekibiina ekyo nze ngenda okikiikirira eri mu Kawempe North Constituency okulonda okuddako. Mukama wange ebyo byenjogedde si by'oŋŋambye okwogera wabula okutolera ku bantu salaamu. Assalaamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Of the wives and the children of the missing people, of the abducted ones. Constantly having to look in their eyes when we're demanding for their loved ones, when we're sending back to school, or when I'm giving updates to them. Today it's even harder, because it's even hard for me to look in the eyes of my own brothers and sisters, my own families, explaining where our brother is. That is how challenging. Funo buzibu amaanyi nnyo okusinkana family z'abo abantu bawambidde abantu baabwe nga tebalabikangako naye nga bweŋŋambye leero ate byongedde okunkalubiriza kubanga simanyi bwe ntunula mu maaso ga family ga mukyala Nyanzi oba abaana be abali wano oba family yaffe bakubira ne bagamuwaayi muganda afaalibwa kati bugenda baddamu bakubira bagamba taata aliwa bugenda baddamu otya. That is a challenge. Ne baana bange ngera bwe mulaba bano abantu bonna nobody is safe, not even us. Naye nga tujja kuwangula lazima kakatona. We shall win, and these people one day will pay for all the pain that they are causing us. Being here, and the regime is making it clearer, because we are here, just like the children of Damulira, children of Chibalama. I don't know whether my brother is alive or dead, but one thing that I know is that we are not going to give up. Today, I'll be very brief. I'll talk about only two things. First is unity, and second is pressure. What do I have to say about unity? It pleases me so much, and I'm sure it pleases the people of Uganda, especially those who are oppressed, who are the majority, to see us all here together. despite all efforts to drive wedges among us, despite all efforts to draw us against each other. You have seen, apart from reaching out to the families of the missing people and trying to convince them that we are responsible for the missing of their loved ones. Bagenda ne babagamba, oyo mulaba sibisa abaana bamwe, oyo mulaba awambisa abaana bamwe, awambisa abantu bamwe. Nga ababawambye bennyini bebagamba nti tuwambisa abantu. Abasise abantu bennyini bagenda ne bagamba, olaba bwe yaleetera abantu bamwe okubawamba. We want to thank you for not falling into that trap, for understanding and looking beyond these lies. You have seen all over social media that some of them work for the regime, and others, you must understand, they are our comrades, but they don't get the depth of this. They fail to understand that the regime prefers us divided. They don't want us to be together. Bafiirawo okulaba nga batwawula, bateekamu ne ssente, infiltrating abo abali mu groups zaffe, bamekinge sure ono asojja oli n'olina asojja oli. Obudde tumale mu kutomeragana na kubagana nga ye anyigiriza ono anyigiriza oli. Asigaye Dr. Besigye wa FDC wa FF, asigaye Bobby Young wa People Power wa NUP. Then n'agamba bali mwe muvumirire bano, mwe lwaki temujjayo Dr. Besigye, nammwe muvumirire oli lwaki wamwe bamusibye luvannyuma. So ndi musanyufu nnyo okulaba nti tusobola okukwatagana ne twogera n'eddoboozi limu, bannange tetulekerangaawo. And on behalf of NUP, we commit to be part of every effort of freeing innocent people, no matter their political persuasion. Ate namwe mbakubiriza bannange, bwe mulaba omuntu anyigirizibwa ne bw'oba wali okayanyeko naye, ne bwe muba mwali mumuvuganyizaako ku kifo, yimirira naye kuba bwe bamala ye bamunona ggwe. Oba twayimirira ne tudimandinga si papa, oba twabanja bulola, kalwaki tubanja abaffe. So mbasaba baganda bange, byonna ebitwawula mubiteeke ku sayidi, tutunuulire ekitugatta. Mama Karua said that the people united can never be defeated. Let us deny Museveni his interest of dividing us. Tulemereko, tusigalenga tuliwamu, tusigalenga tuuliziganya. I thank the leaders here and those that have not joined us today for heeding to that call. Number 2 is pressure. Baganda bangi, okuba nti tusobola n'okusinkana wano. It is not the desire of Museveni. In the morning, this place was cordoned off. Never ategedde nti bajja tuttirawo wano singa tebatuleka. Era ne bavaawo. They've been watching pressure all over the world. There are protests in Kenya, there are protests in the diaspora, and we are calling for protests even here in Uganda. Yeah. That is the pressure that pushed Museveni to bring out that coward in him. Na tweeting angalinga umuli ogoba kunyike bigere. Kati Besigye lwaki yagenda mu lwaki talinda koti nekola no process. Omuntu yemoyo hypocrite. Asibya abaana baffe emyaka 4, abala myaka 5. Mu koti y'amagye nga tebawozesebwa. Naye yagamba Dr. Besigye yalirinze process ye koti y'amagye n'etambula. What a hypocrite. So it is pressure. It was pressure that made the court bring Dr. Besigye today. Era pressure yegenda okumuyamba okuvaayo. Dictators only listen to pressure. So please, in whichever way you can, exert as much pressure as possible. I know some, in fact most of our people are scared to come out physically. Good enough we're living in an age of social media and the world listens. Bana bantu mbateekeko omuliro baganda bange. Otherwise they will not stop. They don't stand for anything legal. You have seen them bakwata bana foot soldiers. Never basiba.
Mega commander in chief owaba foot soldier abali wano lwaki temumukwata? Lwaki temumukwata? So they intend to intimidate you, bagala kubatiisatiisa mmwe. Temutya baganda bange, bumulinga ejjosobola mubabuze emirembe. Omwandiisi omu Spire yagamba disturbing the peace of the oppressor is a moral duty. Bano abantu okubabuza emirembe mulimu gwammwe mukulu. Mubabuze emirembe, mubaliise bubi ssente zaffe ze batubbako, temubakkiriza kwebaka. Mubanje abantu baffe, kumakya mubanje abasibe, mutundu mubanje abasibe, ekiro mubanje abasibe. Bw'oba osimuse ng'ogenze kweyamba, sookoddemu era obabanja. Put as much pressure as possible, because this is moral pressure, this is legitimate pressure. These people are not going to release our people if we don't pressure them. So please pressure them. Keeping united is also pressure enough. He invests a lot of money to divide us. Let us pressure him by sticking together. Bannange bulijjo njogera bingi nammwe, leero ngenda kwogera bitonotono. Njagala kuva waggulu ngamba saba buli asobola okwekalakaasa mu ngeri yonna yonna gye weekalakaasa, weekalakaasa. Ate making sure beweekalakaasa ensi ebiraba. Temulekera awo. Make it very unattractive for the regime to abduct our people. Make it even more unattractive for them to keep our people in detention. Mulemereko, tubatekeko pressure, tubalemereko, lazima bajja tuwa abantu baffe. Ate temulekera awo. Let us pressure them more until Museveni goes, because the ultimate target is to free ourselves of Museveni and his drunken son. I speak to you many times, and today we have special guests. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take the honor of inviting